Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages and what's going on Virgo. So what are the messages for Virgo? Okay, Page of Cups. Page of Cups, Ace of Cups and Ten of Swords. Four of Wands. Queen of Swords and Eight of Swords. Four of Swords, King of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles, yeah, you are in separation. Maybe no contact situation for some. Someone is coming back to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles, partnership, collaboration. Yeah, you person really want to work on this relationship. You both could be colleagues also. In career wise, yeah, you are working towards your career and goals. Three of Pentacles, investing your money and collaborating with other persons and investing money. Okay, so let's see your reading. Recent past, Page of Cups, Ace of Cups and Ten of Swords. Maybe you want to end something with your person, definitely. Because Ten of Swords energy, still you have so much love for your person because Ace of Cups is here. For some, you want rebirth also in this connection. For some, you decided to cut off this person. But they are coming back with an apology here. Page of Cups is here. For some, children's also involved in this connection, Virgo. Right now, what is going between you and your person? Four of Wands, Queen of Swords and Eight of Swords. Yeah, you want this happiness with your person, but you are not talking to them. For some, you are in separation. For some, if you are in relationship, there is no constant communication between both of you guys. And Queen of Swords with the Eight of Swords. Yeah, you are feeling stuck. You don't know how to make a move because you want this happiness with your person. Maybe some communication, some clarity is coming because Queen of Swords and King of Swords, same reading. Maybe you both are very straightforwarded couple. Maybe you both are stand by their power. Yeah, there maybe you both are equal in your own way. Yeah, maybe some communication, some clarity is coming. Some communication is going to be happen and you are very caring and giving person, Virgo. Yeah, but now you are concentrating on your career. And Four of Swords, you are undergoing some healing and meditation, but thinking about them a lot. Yeah, some communication is going to be happen definitely because Page of Cups and apologies coming in your way. Your person want you back. Your person want to communicate with you. They really want to work on this relationship. They want you back, but you want to give clarity because you deserve best. Maybe there is no equal give and take in this connection. That's why you want to cut off this person, even though you have love for this person, but there is no equal give and take because you are the giving and caring person. You only the person investing a lot in this connection. Yeah, but some communication, some apology, but they're coming back to really work on this relationship. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Water sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Under the deck, Five of Pentacles, separation. They are suffering in silence. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. So Virgo, first we will see your person current feelings towards you. I think you both are stuck on each other. You both thinking about each other. There is a lot of drama is going between you and your person right now. And Two of Wands under the deck. They're thinking about you a lot. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, Ace of Wands. They really want new beginnings with you. But they are stuck. They don't know how to approach you. But there is a lot of drama is going right now between you and your person. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you. High Priestess, Eight of Wands. Yeah, they won't give up on you. Communication is coming in your way, lots of communication. They want to communicate with you. This time your person listening to the higher self. And yeah, Seven of Swords under the deck. Maybe they did something wrong to you, that's why they want to say apology to you. Maybe for some your person is sneaky, they played games with you, mind games. Maybe for some they lied to you, cheated on you, false communication, miscommunication, definitely something sneaky. But they won't give up on you, that's why you want to cut off this person, because they played games with you. Yeah, now they're realizing your worth, because the High Priestess, they're listening to the inner voice, and Eight of Wands with Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you, and lots of communication is coming in your way. Yeah, they want to communicate with you. They want brand new beginnings. So a lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Yeah, the Sun card. For some children's also involved in this connection. Maybe one person have kids. See, Eight of Cups. Maybe your person is walked away. Now they're feeling regret for that. Maybe you walked away, but now they're getting their strength to come back. The person involved in this connection could be Leo also. Yeah, the Sun. Definitely they still hoping for this connection. They want reconciliation, because the Sun is a positive card in the whole deck. Major Arcana. Definitely they want reconciliation with you. Yeah, right now you both are in separation. Eight of Cups. One person is walked away in this connection. The World. Long distance relationship could be. Some cycles are going to be end. Yeah, some changes are coming in your way in this relationship. Yeah, because they will call you soon, very soon, because there are some positive changes and positive shifts are coming in this relationship. Yeah, right now there is separation, but in near future some cycle breaking, because some same cycles are going repeating between you and your person again and again. Virgo, because the World with Wheel of Fortune, definitely cycle breaking. Some same repeating cycles are going to be break. Lots of communication is coming in your way. Again, Eight of Cups under the deck. Definitely separation right now. Yeah, there will be communication and some changes will come. So your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy, Scorpio, for the week. The Moon. Yeah, there are some illusions, some misunderstandings between both of you, but you have strong emotions. You are very caring and giving person. You stand by your power. You overcome this heartbreak. Juggling. Definitely you are juggling between head over heart. There is some juggling, but you overcome all the pain. You stand by your power. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces also. Still you have so much love for them, at least emotions for them. So let's see your person overall energy. Seven of Pentacles, Princess of Cups, Nine of Cups, and Five of Cups. Yeah, they're suffering in silence. They're missing you so much. And Nine of Cups, they're wishing for reconciliation. And Princess of Cups, now they got clarity. They know what they want. They really want you back. And maybe they also somewhere something is invested in this connection. Yeah, they want to rebirth this connection. They want to again invest in this connection, Scorpio. But it's up to you. So let's see your message from Moon Oracle deck. Show the world the real you. Okay, so if you are not showing your emotions, if you are hiding your feelings, so it is the message from universe. Show the world the real you. Express your feelings. Open up yourself. Yeah, open up to your friends, open up to your family members. Okay, this is the time to show the real you. Okay, this is the message from universe, Scorpio. So they are coming back. Lots of communication is coming in your way. Then it's up to you, because you are undergoing some healing and meditation. Yeah, you also have some emotions for your person. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.